Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So now we're from group 4, gonna explain the topics that we bring. So first of all, we're gonna introduce ourselves. My name is AZIZ ALHAKIM, and my friend.
My name is HABIB THORIQ.
My name is ADITYA GALANG PRATAMA. My name is JUNDAN THORIQ.
My name is ADDARUN NAFIS.
So first of all, I'm gonna explain what is the definition of CNC machine. The definition of CNC machine is a tool used to make a product that is difficult and has high accuracy. While CNC stands for computer numeric control, the most dominant advantage of CNC machine is the speed in the production process so that they are suitable for mass production. In CNC machines, there is computer that is used to process the drawing of design of a component to be created. The image is then converted into a customized program that can be read by CNC machines afterwards. After that, the machine will automatically process the required finished goods. One of the advantages of this machine itself that its program is stored in the computer memory. The program on duty can then easily write code and edit the program as required. This program can be used for different sections and they do not need to be repeated again and again. CNC machines can work like robots where it is enough to with program we input, then the machine will be able to process the work by itself.
Hello, my name is Aditya Galang Pratama. I will explain about history of CNC machine. This is a John Person of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. At first, this machine was intended to make complex workpiece, but due to the cost of manufacture and the large volume of controlling unit, the company were willing to invest in the development of technology. 1975 was the year when CNC machine began to develop rapidly due to the existence of microprocessor, so that the volume of control unit be reduced and simplified. Currently, CNC machines are widely used in all fields, such as in the field of education and research.
Okay, here I will explain how to operate a CNC machine. In operating a CNC machine, there are two coordinate systems, namely absolute coordinate system and incremental coordinate system. Okay, first I will explain what is absolute coordinate system. Absolute coordinate system is programming on CNC which determine the workpiece position data based on one reference point is always fixed. In easy explanation, the absolute system is a CNC programming method where the reference point is always fixed. Okay, second, I will explain what is incremental coordinate system. Incremental coordinate system is programming on CNC which in determine the position of the workpiece is measured or reference point is always changing. In easy explanation, the incremental system is a CNC programming method where the reference point is always changed.
Okay, I'm JUNDAN THORIQ. This time I will explain about a CNC lathe. CNC lathe is machine where the object is clamped and then rotates, and then the workpiece is sliced using a cutting tool to produce a certain shape. The lathe process using a CNC lathe is carried out using standard codes. The codes used to operate are G codes and M codes. The G codes are to direct the machine to move, and the M codes are to control equipment operation, which the when to operate and stop operating. Basically, a CNC lathe has two axes, namely the X-axis and the Z-axis, and any has its own minus and plus codes. For the plus X-axis, moving the CNC machine table backwards, and the minus X-axis moving forward. There is also a plus Z-axis, move the CNC lathe machine table to the right, and minus the axis to the left. There are also several advantages of using a CNC lathe. Number 1, production results will be precise both in shape and size. Number 2, the work process is fast so that it can save work time. Number 3, process cost will be cheaper. Number 4, CNC lathe use insert much more economical than conventional lathe. There enough from me and Tun to my friend ADDARUN NAFIS to explain CNC milling machine. Thank you.
Okay, I will to explain about CNC milling machine. What is CNC milling machine? CNC milling machine is a cutting tool operated by a machine that is programmed and managed by a computer numerical control system to remove cut material from the workpiece accurately. In a milling machine, there are 3 axes that can move simultaneously, namely the X, Y, and Z axis. The movement of the machine is designed to be coordinated to get a certain path, so that it can be called continuous axis or contour axis. Now, for the plus x-axis, the table moves to the right. For minus x-axis, the table moves to the left. For plus y-axis, the table moves to the forward. For minus y-axis, the table moves to the backward. For the plus z-axis, it's not the table move. The table move, but the spindle that goes up. For the minus z-axis, spindle move down. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all explanation from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.